Go for that. So you will get an prompt like this. Hopefully it will end up with a dollar symbol, right? So you don't worry about this. Actually, it's a username and then your system name. Most probably you as a student or something it is given. So mine is my own system, so that my system name is Selvakumar PC. My user admin is Selvakumar. Okay. First, main command is man. So actually, the extension of man is manual help page of that particular command. For example, sir, I know only command, but I don't know about the command, like description, options, everything. You may go for this command. So ls is mean for list. Okay, you look at this while you are pressing enter key, you will get this. Okay, parallelly you can proceed. Simply if you are typing ls, it will show you the list of files, folders. While you are typing the ls, you will get to know about the list of files. Later on I will come back to that command. Before that, the manual help page of command ls, list directory content. Here directory means folder. In Windows it is similar to folder. Okay. Here in Linux, directory. That's the difference. Okay. You see there are a lot of options. Hyphen A, small a, capital A, hyphen, double hyphen, author, hyphen B. Each and every option has a specific representation. Even there is lot of information, description, everything. Look at this. There are so many options you look at here. Sir, if I want to come out of this manual help page, press Ctrl Z. It's an options, please you have to note down. Once you would have entered into manual page, you will if you will forget about that how to exit of the page, again you are in an trouble. So note down all these shortcut methods. Control X. So not only this, even you can go for any commands. So later on I will tell you all this command informations and everything. Press Control X or Control Z. Okay. Even Control C also it will work. Please check. So Control X it will work. So this is another command, clearing the screen. Clearing the screen. Clear. In Windows CMD prompt, command prompt CLS. So here it is completely CLEAR. No problem, sir. So clearing the screen. So man, and one more command is there. It is info. Info. You see the same command I'm going to provide, ls. You see the difference. So actually this info command will provide you the information about the command manipulation. That means how that command was manipulated, what are all the functionalities are incorporated, what are all the parameters are passed, those information. So info command will provide you information about the functionalities, parameters passed in the particular command. Man command will provide you manual help page of that particular command. Are you able to follow? Both are different. Okay. So again, press you Control Control Z to come out of this page. Okay. So you type simply ls. You see the difference. Okay. Meanwhile, you verify the color, different color, representation of your content. White color, green color, blue color. Hopefully, isn't it? Any dots? Any dots or something? You type ls-a. ls-a, one option. Now you look at dot, double dot. That is all the files with begins with dot. Sir, what is this dot? Colors are okay, no problem. Blue color and white color. Blue colors are indicating folders, that is directories. White colors are user files. Suppose it's in fluorescent green, it's in system file. Some of them are okay, having that green color files, that is system files. Sir, what about the single dot, sir? Single dot okay indicates it's an hidden file. Double dot system hidden file, and then okay user hidden okay file, and okay even okay any file with begins with single dot or begins with dot, that it indicates hidden files. Are you able to follow? Sir, shall we open? You should have okay get to know the access rights of that particular file. For example, here test.sh is my file I created. Okay, so later on I'll come back to you how to create a file. So again one more command, list lsl. Now you look at this okay difference. Same information except hidden files. Here you see the first field, access bit representation of Linux. Totally it's a 10-bit representation. Please you look at it. From okay right to left you can go. Right to left. Right to left. First 3 bits are represent the end user file permission. Here I am going to write it. So totally 10 bits. Hyphen okay I am representing. Okay, first 3 bit, next 3 bit, then last 3 bit, and then MSB, most significant bit, and then okay LSB, you know, least significant bit. Okay, you come to this the right hand side, first 3 bits representing end user permission. That means RWX, read, write, execution. If all bits are okay represented as okay 111, it will be represented as RWX like this, or only this user end user is permitted for execution, then -x. So later on I'll okay explain how to set this file permission and everything. Similarly, this one is group user. This one owner or admin. Sir, what about this last bit? I think it indicates D. D. If this MSB bit set D, it indicates directory, that is folder. You check snap, there's snap directory. Right. Even okay, I told you another method to differentiating which are all the folders, and then that is directories and user file system as well as system files. Okay, so user files, and fluorescent green color represents system file, blue color indicates folders, and okay dot begins with hidden folder. It's an user hidden, this is a system. You cannot do anything on this. Clear? Okay. So, suppose if I want to set all permission to all the users, that means RWX. So I am going to enable 1 all bits equal to 1. So 3-bit representation. So here 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. So 2 power 0, 1 are 2, then that is 4 are totally 7. So 0 to 6, that is 0, 0, 0 to all 1, 1 are.
No sir, 7.
Okay, all 1, 1. So if all 1, 1 means 7 are.
No.
So 7, 7, 7. So there is a command is called as change mode. CH change mode, and then okay file permission 777 followed by your file name. Okay, for example test.sh, or that extension may be okay anything .txt, anything .c, okay java, .py, .cpp, okay c, any extensions. Okay, clear? So any file okay extension you can create. Okay, just okay, you check. I'm going to change the okay file permission. Before that, you should have okay verify what is the current permission of that okay test file. Test dot sh. You see a single file permission. You look at this. Hyphen, it is a file, so the last bit is hyphen. Suppose if it's a folder, definitely it should be D. Be able to follow?
Or we can set it. CH mode.
I'll. First, you should have verified the current permission of this file. You are okay? End user
-L sir.
ls blank space hyphen L.
Test பண்றது கடைசி.
Hyphen L. L is mean for okay, list form of. LL means long list. There's a difference. A simple list form of this file, only specific information. Right, you see here. Long list means ls hyphen always there should be a blank space between the command and then option. Command space option. ls blank space option hyphen L. Okay, L or ll test dot sh. So owner okay who is created and okay who is the owner of the file, everything is there. So end user only read. So if I want to okay flip one more option, execution. So read and execution, that means read and execution or hyphen x. So 101 421 5. So rest of the okay permissions I want to okay keep it okay remain as it is, or 77. Group user also I want to keep 77. Fine. The command is chmod 775 file name test.sh. Without any error, that is the prompt doesn't reply, the command was okay successfully executed. Now I'm going to use the same option ls-l. You see the permission. Previously permission was hyphen or hyphen rw hyphen rwr. Changed. Here all the file okay permission was changed. Now you see the color. You see the color previously? It's a user file. Now the control this access commands, that is access control was changed, so that the color is test.sh is blue, sorry, fluorescent green or green, not an white. So it is okay. Now the system okay takes the control of this file. Sir, again I want to back to the same permission. What is the permission? Change mode RW, that means 664 664. Please, you have to do the conversion. Number system is coming to the picture. Yes, 664. Here 421. Logic 421. Then okay, this only one bit is enabled 4. Okay, last two bits are enabled 4 plus 2 6. Okay, this bit is 0. Are you able to follow? Digital system, number system, please you have to recall. So 664R. 664 space. If you will not give any space, okay, see single space here, it will throw error. Okay, permission was changed. Now you see the color back to original form. Able to follow? Even one more command is there. It's a touch. Using this command, you can that is you can change the file timestamp. Okay. Basic commands. Okay, there are a lot of commands. Date. You'll get. Date along with time. Sir, then if you will type okay mistakenly time command, what will be the answer? Time it will come, but it is different. You see, 3 times will come. real time, user time, system time. Actually, this command will provide you the execution time of the particular program. Okay, among that, how much time it is spent in the real time. Suppose that program will interface with the sensor or any infrared range sensor, camera or whatever it is. How long it spent for accessing that real time data. Then suppose it's interfacing with the user. How much time user spent for feeding the input. Next, how much time the system takes to execute that particular program. That is an real input of result of the time command. Sir, if we want to get only time, sir, because we are typing date, it is providing a complete information about, you see, day, which day, and date, August 5th, year, and then timestamp. If you want to get only date, you see this option, man, go to date. See, hyphen D, hyphen F, hyphen capital R, everything is there. So press Control Z. I'm going to use date plus percentage of R. I'll check. Is it working? Yes. I'm getting only time. Time. 1436 means 236 time. This is the option shortcut. Please you have to use man option and learn more option about how do you get. With this you will come up with one script. Suppose if your campus is connected with 1,000 number of computers. You are the administrator. If you have a power up script, that is run this terminal, you will send a message to all the 1,000 number of computers at a stretch. That is in power up shell script. Later I will go for it. Okay.
Is it possible to increase the font size little more, sir?
Madam, actually I am sharing through this stuff. Okay.
So you said touch command or something.
Touch, you see. Change the file times star. I mentioned. Creation of your file if you want to modify. In Windows, is it possible to change the file creation time? And in Linux, it is possible. Using okay. So you can use it and then do this time. அது இதில் என்னால் எடிட்டர்ஸில் பண்ண முடியாது. மற்றவங்கள இதில் பண்ணலாம் மேடம். நான் இங்கே பண்ணலாம். நான் பண்ணுறேன். என்னோட எடிட்டர்ஸ்
அனுப்புங்க மெசேஜ் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அப்படியே ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறேன் மெயில் ஐடி பார்த்து அதே மெயிலில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கிளாஸ் குரூப்பில் போட்டு கிளாஸ் இன்சார்ஜஸ் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுறேன் கிளாஸ் குரூப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் நான் கெஸ்ட்டு டிஎஸ்எம் கவிதும் அதுவும் பண்ணுறாங்க கைது அதுவும் பண்ணுறாங்க வழங்குவாங்க அதெல்லாம் செகண்ட் தான் போல ஒரு கைது ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறேன் தேர்ட் இயர் கிளாஸ் போய் ட்ரெயின்
Can you just a minute? Okay, I can show. Okay, ma. Right now I think it is fine. Thank you. Is that okay visible? Okay. Actually, in your screen also, okay, you go to this, okay, button option here. In this option you click. Okay, go to preferences, last one, okay, unnamed. You are clicking this, okay, custom font. You enable this font, and then what kind of font type you want to, Times New Roman or whatever it is, increase the font size. Okay.
Only selected only a few fonts are
Yes, sir. So this will go for directory and file related commands. ls list. Then if you want to create your own directory, it's a command mkdir, make directory. This is an expansion of command mkdir, make directory. And for example, I want to create my name Selva, or otherwise sk. This is for easy to access. mkdir. It's a case sensitive. You have to be careful while you are providing your folder name. Okay, so mine is sk is done. Now you type ls. sk is in blue color, it indicates it's a folder. Even sir, I want to get ls-l and then followed by sk, sir. Total item is 0, and permission it will provide you what is that kind of it is no problem. ls-l. See, where is the sk? Here it is there. It's a directory rwx, or -x. It's a default permission. If you want, you can change with ch mode and everything. Sir, after creation of the folder, how do we shift the control? cd, it means for change directory. cd sk. Now you look at the prompt. Now your control is inside of the sk folder. Sir, how do we get to know about that? Shift. There is one more command is called as pwd. Present working directory. There's an expansion of pwd. It will provide you a complete path from the root. My root is home. Then Selvakumar is an administrator. In that administrator, login. That is home folder. Home folder again it's a subfolder. Selvakumar. Home may has more than one user. Myself and even my scholar name, etc. Suppose it will be there, then it will come. sk. Right? So here, if you want to create any folder or any subfolder, the same command. Sir, okay, fine, sir. I want to come out of this folder, previous folder, SK, or previous folder, CD space dot dot. Now you see, no SK. Again, you have to type PWD. Look at. Okay, so you will get to know about your path, exact path of location. Sir, I typed so many files. That means I entered so many folders. For example, some 4 or 5 folders I jumped. Again, I want to come to my home directory, CD/dot. Okay. If you are doing like this, directly it will come back to home. Okay. So I am going to use SK folder for this demonstration and everything. Sir, how do we remove this folder? RM dir or RM-F. There is an option forcefully. Okay. So options are there. Please, you can go for RM dir. Okay, RM also removing the files. You see, remove empty directory. Sir, shall we delete all the folders one by one? No. So RMDIR-F forcefully. Then if you are specifying the folder name, it will delete. In Windows, no problem. It will never ask anything while you are trying to delete that folder or you want to shoot. Doesn't bother about inside of the folder, whatever the files. But here the Linux OS will bother. If the folder is have any content, it will never allow the user to delete immediately. So it must ask user to remove the existing files or subfolders first, and then only it is possible. Otherwise, RMDIR, here options are there. Please you go through it. See, it is coming. Okay, RM options. Please you can go through it. Or RM-R. Remove the file also. You use RM. Control Z. Okay. So remove the file. And changing the this directory. Everything we have discussed. Next we will go for how to create a file. Okay. There are 2 options. Using command cat. Cat, it is used for 2 options. One is creating a file, but in this method, cat command based method, there is a drawback. That means if you want to do any editing or change of characters, it is not at all possible. Suppose you are in the 10th line, but after entering 10th line, if you have identified error in first line, and then you should have delete the entire 9 lines which you have typed after the that error line, and then only you will go for the first line to go to modify or rectify and correct the error. Okay, while we are looking manually, we will get to know that error, but we want to move that position in that particular error location. We have to delete the entire content, so it's a drawback. So we will go for alternate method. Its a command is VI or Vim. This VI is mean for visual editor. So later on we'll go for that method. Okay. So I'll go for test .txt. I'm creating file. Hello. Okay, anything. Right, sir, how do we terminate this file? Press Ctrl Z. Okay, file is created. Now you can type ls. Only one file which I have created. Okay, sir, how do we display this file content? Same command. But so here, remove this symbol. Okay, later I'll come back to the symbol name. Simply cat, then followed by file name. It will display file content. Sir, what is the name of that? Okay, here in programming Day1, it means What is the name of the symbol? Huh?
Operates.
Huh?
Greater than operates.
Greater than or less than. Okay. Suppose if it is like this,
It's a library.
it's a library. What is the name of the symbol?
Standard
Huh?
input.
Standard input. It's an standard library only. It's header files. Pair of angular brackets. Pair of angular brackets. So same symbol notations, but the contexts are different. Okay. So this is the difference between professional graduates, BSc student, and CBSc students. Here, don't say greater than symbol of. It is named as redirection symbol of. Okay. So cat blank space redirection symbol of and followed by file name. Sir, I want to edit the same file, sir. Very simple. The same command. One more redirection symbol, okay, you would include. Then may go for editing. I am going to include rewriting policy test line. You see, I appended the new line, end of the file. You know the difference between update and append. Append is always will happen in end of the file. It is happen. Okay, but this method already is I told you that is using cat command to creating a file. It will take too much of editing, also waste of time. So next we'll go for sir. Morning session you was talked about supercomputer, but you are discussing about basic commands. Basics are very much important. Without these commands, it's very difficult to handle supercomputers. Okay. All are it is related to how to create a program in supercomputer environment, how to create in your own folder, how to keep the packages, everything. For that purpose only, I'm explaining all this. How to create a folder, how to change the folder, how to get the path name, how to create a file, everything. Permission, change of file permission and everything. Okay, so next I'll go for VA or Vim, anything. So the extension of VA is Visual Editor. The advanced command is Vim. So VA, I am going to use one script, such. Shell script is there are a lot of shell environment. I don't want to go for in depth of those shells, corn shell, burn shell, C shell, hash shell. A lot of shells are there. Different shells are supporting different programming environment. Suppose if you want to do kernel programming, then corn shell it is going to be. It's a C shell. C programming if you want to do C shell. That is bash, normal shell, anything. We'll go for it. VA, sample.sh. One sample shell script. It is similar to C programming. Please you have to mind the space and other symbolic notations. But this environment is much more powerful than the any other programming languages. Once you have typed this command followed by file name, you see the bottom line of your editor. It displaying your file name, new file. Always this editor is opening the file in read-only mode. Sir, then how shall we make this editor as insert, that is editable format of that given file? I told you it's initially this editor as it is in the form of, that is in the form of read-only mode. Press I button. While you are pressing I, you will get insert. It will, okay, that is intimating the okay programmer to ready for coding. Before that, if you are okay trying to type anything, it won't accept anything. Are you able to follow? Are you able to follow? Okay, just I am going to type. It's a shell script. This is the first line. It is similar to C programming. We are typing header files, isn't it? Hash include header files. Please use, okay, note down. Studio.h, string.h, math.h, stdlib.h, like that. Here in shell script, hash exclamatory symbol of space bin slash sh. Suppose your environment is okay shell, okay, normal shell script. Suppose it's a bash, then type bash. The extension also should be bash. Able to follow? Don't get okay confusion. Learn first sh. Later on I'll come back to bash. Okay. In C, how do you make a command line? Command line. Double slash r, single command line, multiple command line, okay. Here and similarly, any okay statement that begins with okay, simply hash, it become a command line. Okay. So after this, mentoring. Okay. First, okay. Sample script. Anything if you want, okay, you can. First sample script.
Password this. No string error control.
String error noda. Others, regretting. Madam, instead of VI, can you type Vim, VIM? You press OK, you press Control Z or otherwise OK. Close the terminal and it will come out of it and again type VIM, VIM instead of VI, VIM you type VIM, VIM space your file name. Vim is okay, not connected. Vim is not installed.
We have to install. I'm not Vim not found
I have to change the setting first. Okay, wait, and I'll tell you. The 2-line script we have to. Just a minute. Okay, I'll okay. Save this. I'll come back. And then okay, let's search. Just a minute. Actually, this is my okay another server. Cat .rc. Is it these two lines are visible? All of you please listen. Please open your terminal and whatever I am typing, please you have to do the same thing. You have to create one hidden file. Okay, your file name is, that is type okay cat command blank space redirection symbol of dot VAMRC. After okay press enter key. Please you should follow my instruction. Okay, you create one hidden file like this. It will get resolved without installation of vim command. Okay. After okay typing this file name, please enter. Press enter. Then the file will be ready for typing. Type set. Okay. Set. Here set. No compatibility. Here blank space. It's an okay keyword set. Blank space. No compatible. First line. Second line set backspace equal to. After entering these two lines, press on new line. Press Control D. Pressing if you are pressing Control D, automatically it will save. Cat blank space redirection symbol of need to type blank space அப்புறமா வந்து ஏ vim RC இருக்கு டாட் vim RC இருக்கு அதனால நீ hidden file க்ரியேட் பண்ணலாம் இல்ல ரீநேம் கூட பண்ணலாம்னா அது நான் காப்பி சிடி எல்லாம் வரல ஃபைல் கிரியேஷனே சொல்லிருக்கேன். Enter. Press Control Z button. Under font size increase. What's the number?
Space.
Set. Whoever has done this, now you can retype VA. Now okay, don't do any malfunctioning. While you are pressing I, it will come up with insert mode. While you are typing VA file name, new file name, check. Indent, space alignment, indent, end of line, starting line.
சார் இன்புட் கொடுக்குறது என்ன பண்ணணும்?
எதுக்கு சார் எதுக்கு இன்புட் கொடுங்க நீங்கள் வந்துட்டீங்களா? இதில் வந்துட்டு இந்த டூ லைன்ஸ் அடிங்க சார். இப்போ ப்ரெஸ் ஐ பட்டன் வந்துச்சு இந்த இன்சர்ட் வந்துடும் சார். இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுங்க இதெல்லாம் முடிச்சிங்களா டாக்டர் இப்போ நீங்கள் விஐ ஒரு டெஸ்ட் ஃபைல் டெஸ்ட் டாட் பிஎக்சி கொடுக்கலாமா? சும்மா ஆல்ரெடி இருக்குங்களா? detected by processing code. Okay, no. You press Control Z, madam. Control Z. Now you can type VA. VA blank space file name. Go to this VA editor. Press I button. You will get display insert.
Extension, sir, file name.
Any file name extension you can give .e anything. I press I button. Insert. Now it is working fine. Suppose that insert message will not display. There is an error in this file creation. Please redo once again the same. File name dot any extension. Press I button. The two line first line it is indicating that okay interpreter it's already that VI okay it was not compatible. That means when you are pressing up and down it will generate okay all garbage values. Now it will be compatible. Backspace set, backspace indent everything is as per okay the user. Actually this two okay line of script entirely stop this okay vim command installation. No need of any okay administrator power to install vim command instead of VA. That is the power of shell script. Okay, so luckily okay my server is running. Okay, this is okay server. Okay, I am going to okay disconnect the server by using okay pressing Control D, connecting the okay disconnecting the server. You don't do anything. You see, log out, closed. Okay, again I am back to my folder. See, escape. Previously you see it's a different okay location. I access this script from my OS okay server it seems. Okay, so I am going to clear. Here okay vim is there. Okay, you check. Vim also will work. Check. I am going to use okay ls. What is that program name? Vim. You don't use Vim because that option was not there in this okay Linux okay version. Use VA. I'll okay show you. Otherwise for avoiding confusion I will go for okay VA. Even test.txt. Sorry sample dot okay such.
VA sir.
Okay, even you see whenever you are entering into VA editor, I told you it will open the okay given file name in read only. So if you want to okay enable edit option, press I. Now you see insert. Now I'm going to display do this on simple program. In the shell script, this is a command to display message. It is equivalent to printf in C. C out in C++. Okay, so in double quote or either single quote up to you. Echo, E-C-H-O, echo, double quote. Okay, sorry. Sir, shall we go for that \n, \t, like that options here? It's exactly I forget that C language the options /n, /t all are fall under what is that formatting or something I forget. Yeah, you no need of okay those options in shell script. Automatically every echo statement will be okay printed in new line. So you forget about that option. Okay, right, echo. Next, okay, one more okay script line I am going to. Okay, sir, if I want to save this file, please you note down all this. In Windows we are using okay shortcut Control S, or there is an okay GUI option, floppy icon. If you are clicking that option, it will store, or otherwise Control S or shortcut save as options. But here, if you want to save this content, first press escape, step 1. While you are pressing escape, the insert mode will be revert back to read only. You see that insert okay option get disappeared. You able to follow? Okay, next, sir, what do we do? So this what to do? Press colon. It will be okay, or it should be an end of your VA editor. You see, colon should be end of your editor. Sir, here it seems my okay wherever my cursor was, that okay place it seems a colon symbol is displaying. Then you should properly delete it. Again press escape. Verify is it insert mode is get disappeared or not. If it is get disappeared, you go okay to press colon WQ. It means write and then quit. Sir, what will happen if you simply give Q? It will okay never allow you to simply come out of okay without okay saving this. Otherwise Q followed by exclamatory symbol of later on I will come back to it. WQ press enter. Okay, my file content is saved. Sir, how do we know? Okay. You know that okay file name okay how to display file content. Cat okay without the exclamatory symbol of you see okay WQ. Then for example okay I am going to use one more okay XYZ dot txt sorry anything so I entered this file. I am going to okay press I button insert. I am typing something, please you don't do you type some information. Okay, I typed something. I press escape, but I don't want to save this file. Okay, colon Q exclamatory symbol up. So if you okay give Q alone error, you see no write since last change, add exclamatory symbol up. It is telling up yes this editor is instructing us. Press enter key. Again you have to press colon Q exclamatory symbol up. Okay, if you want to come out of the editor without saving your content. You see. So previously XYZ verify ls. No, the file is not saved. The content as well as the file name, everything is okay discard. Are you able to follow? Are you able to follow? Okay, if you want to save WQ. Okay. Sir, I have not done okay any modifications, sir. Simply I opened. Then give colon Q. Okay. So you open and you done a modification, but you don't want to okay save that. Give colon Q exclamatory symbol. Okay, sir, I have done a right okay modification. If you want to say colon WQ. Okay, right. Next option, if you want to run the script, that shell script is named as .sh. Okay, sample.sh. sh followed by space sample.sh. Sometimes it will throw error. That means you want to change the permission as an administrator. You see the file permission right now. What is the command? ls hyphen. If you want to get that hyphen l sample dot sh. You see, owner group user has okay permission to do read and write. Sir, everything is r hyphen hyphen r hyphen hyphen. You change the file permission and try to execute. It won't execute. So that case you have to use ch mode off. Then followed by what file permission you want to set to this file and then run. During the execution of this file, you will get any error. Suppose you are an end user or okay, you are not having that rights, then change the rights using ch mode. For that purpose only I explain ch mode. Now, are you clear? How to create a file, how to create a shell script. Okay, then file readed options. Sir, in Windows, it is very easy to copy, sir, and okay, save us, sir. Here, what is the command? It's a command name is cp. Cp is mean for copy. That is duplication of, making duplication of existing file. For example, I want to, okay, duplication of the test test1.txt to test1.txt. So cp source file name test.txt blank space destination test1 dot txt. Now you give ls, totally 3 files will come. This is an okay, my script file, my original file, new file. Duplication of the test. Are you able to follow? Both contents are same. Are you able to follow? So if you want to remove the file, rm file name test. So before that I want to display the file name, sorry, file content, test1.txt. The same content. Both are same content, you see. So I want to remove one duplicate file. It's a command. RM is mean for remove. Okay. Yes, removed. My file name is okay. File content or file is removed. You check. Previously there is 3 files. Right now only 2 files. Test is removed. You see, I removed test. Okay. I created an okay duplication test1 duplicate file from test. I removed original file. Again that duplicate file I want to make it as a test1. So cp then mv. Next command is it is similar to rename a file, mv move. Test1.txt equal to test1.txt. Sir, what is this? I'm okay converting this test1.txt to text. Okay, test.txt. That means the entire file content is transferred to the new file name. Are you able to follow? Now, previously my file name was okay test1.txt. You see. Now it's replaced, renamed test1 to test. That is the purpose of mv. Clear? So cp is copy, mv rename, rm is remove. Okay, creating a file. I told you using cat redirection symbol of or either va. Able to follow? Okay. So using this, you will come up with your script either in Python. Okay, even okay script, there are a lot of options. If we want to get read okay input from the user terminal, if you want to perform any options, or shall I okay execute all the okay all these basic commands, date, calendar. If you are typing calendar, it will show the current month. Cal command. Okay, cannot, that can be installed. Okay, so you can you type cal? Is it coming? So in my okay system it is not installed. Okay, I don't want to install. Okay, current month calendar. Sir, if I want to get okay very particular year, particular month, type calendar. Okay, suppose October month 2024. Type like this. Are you getting any input? Sorry, result for this command?
No sir, calendar.
Or otherwise cal 2024 if you are giving, then it will provide you that entire okay this okay entire year calendar. Otherwise okay instead of OCT you give cal 10/20/24. You type this.
October come.
October it is coming up. Okay, because My birthday will come in that month. That's why I specifically noted. No problem. Okay, so using this cal command, sir, how many years? Okay, shall we generate? Okay, calendar from year 0 to 9,999. Sir, if you are giving 10,000, the command won't support because the programmers done up to that. Suppose in 2050, okay, 2050, I want to get to know about my birthday, which day it is coming. I will get it. Then basic command cal, and date. These are all the basic commands. Suppose if you want to execute all these commands as a script, you can make it as an all commands as a script. And if you are running that script as a single program, it will display all the commands. Again, one more command. History. So if you are typing this history, it will show you the list of commands which are executed. உங்க ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் கிட்டலாம் நீங்க ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணானா இல்லையான்னு. சரியா? Okay. History. Okay, the list of commands are executed. Similarly, if you log off and once again if you log on, the last login date and timestamp will be displayed. So that with that you can catch your students. Are they regularly log in or at what last time he was logged in. That much of security. You can restrict your student with your access rights policy. In Windows we cannot. Okay, so you see this. So finally I'll go for one script. I'll wind up this particular commands. I'll go for other commands. File and directory manipulation is very important commands. After that, sir, if you are an administrator of this, or you want to change the password, don't execute this command passwd. This is a command to change the password. Right now you people are using student. If you are typing this, it will ask you new password, and while you are that is current password, and it will ask you the new password. If you are setting that, it's an here yours login. No one can, that is even administrator also. Admin can do. So using this command, we'll able to change the password. Time already mentioned, date mentioned. We'll go for the references, everything. Before that. So one more, we will go for one more program, or otherwise I will edit the same program. ls sample, right? Vi sample.sh. I am going to edit this here. Edit. Suppose I want to read the input from the user terminal. This is the option read blank space A blank space B, that's all. Then sir, I want to perform arithmetic operation, sir. That is simply addition of two numbers. There are two methods here. One is advanced method, like in C environment. In C environment, after reading the number, we are doing C equal to A plus B. Am I right? C equal to A plus B, like this. After inclusion of header files, scanf, printf, enter the two values, new line, then scanf, percentage of D, sorry, ampersand of A, ampersand of B. Am I right? Any mistakes? Okay. C equal to A plus B. Here, instead of this, we go for C equal to tilde symbol of above the escape key. Don't do anything. EXPR off. Sir, why this EXPR off? Actually, this shell script environment read all the variables in the form of string. without, okay, this, if we'll go for like this, suppose A equal to 5, B equal to 4, like this, then 5 plus 4 is an answer. It will do string concatenation. So we have to differentiate and then intimate the interpreter do arithmetic expression. That's why we are using EXPR of dollar of blank space, dollar of A plus dollar of B, again closing till symbol of. Otherwise, alternate method, C equal to, don't give any space, okay, dollar symbol of double parenthesis, opening a double parenthesis, blank space, A plus B, again blank space, closing. Don't, okay, use any semicolon for termination here. Okay, I'll do it here. Then, sir, how do we, okay, display the sum? Echo sum is, again, if you want to access variable existing value, C, dollar of C. And C, we are not using anything, right? Only reading purpose, we are supposed to using ampersand now, am I right? But while displaying, we are not using anything. Percentage of D and followed by a variable name alone, right? But here, no need of any percentage of D. Instead of that, we are supposed to use prefix symbol of dollar followed by that variable name. Okay, so I'm going to use first method, C equal to, see, if that variable is an assignment variable, you change, okay, see the color, fluorescent blue. Here also no need to use, okay, separation of variable, blank space as in separation of variables. Above the tab, below the escape symbol, the tilde symbol, sorry, okay, EXPR. Okay, you see the keywords are highlighted by yellow color. Dollar of A, okay, blank space, please you have to keep blank space, dollar of B, safety purpose. There, okay, I haven't mentioned blank space, should keep, okay, blank space after the variable, and okay, then you have to type operator. In between operator and variable, you should keep one blank space. Okay? Okay? Are you able to follow? Are you able to follow? Fine? Here. Okay, so I'm going to press escape, colon WQ. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen. So, again use command as SHR, SH space. Welcome to the script. Enter the two values are displayed. I haven't given. So, 4, 5. Yes. Yes. I forget to give. Okay. Enter the two values. Okay. I will edit once again. Here instead of that, welcome to script. Okay. One more. Okay. I am going to. Or otherwise, in C and C++, is it okay? Any option to perform both read and write operation using C in alone or C out alone? Even similarly, okay, in C there is an okay separate okay syntax commands for reading and displaying. Printf, scanf, isn't it? In shell script, we can do both in single okay command read. So I am going to use the same here. Sir, I forget to use okay echo, sir. Only okay I specified here. Read, okay, blank space -p. This is an option. Oh, sorry, it is asking to now. Read, okay, okay, enter the two values, okay, then we should provide space here, read hyphen, read blank space -p. It's an option, we can combinedly perform both display as well as reading the number. In Python, there is an option. I don't know how many of you know Python. Okay, otherwise you can refer okay, W3 Schools Python tutorial. Okay, particularly here, okay, reading the two numbers, please you get to know about it. Okay, there is an option, please you can check it. Okay, read of option and okay, input of options are there, please you can check. I don't want to. Okay, this is a modification I had done. Read -p. I don't want to use extra echo statement. With this read alone, I'm displaying and then reading the value. Okay, escape. Now it is asking enter the values. Straight away you can give 4 plus, okay, 6. Yes. Madam, I said okay, tilde symbol, not in single quote. Okay, expressions are very much important. Okay. Here, this is an okay tilde symbol. It's not an single quote. If you have provided okay proper syntax, then only you will get all this color representation and everything. If it is in the same color, okay, you should have indirectly recognize that line as error. Are you able to follow? So another method, alternate method, whatever I mentioned, I am going to use. So now I mark this line as command line. C equal to dollar of that's it, over. Alternate method. So actually these options are will be supported by bash as well as sh. Okay, I'll check whatever it is. Yes, it is coming. It is working, supporting both bash as well as sh. You look at this. This line is working. Previously, I used this EXPR of. Here, I used C approach. Directly, I used. Okay. Similarly, you can go for. Sure, I'm coming. Subtraction D equal to A minus B, or otherwise D equal to tilde symbol of EXPR of blank space dollar of A blank space minus blank space dollar of B, then close the tilde symbol. Again one more, you cannot directly specify this EXPR of, and you'll go for multiplication like this. Blank space dollar of A blank space star blank space dollar of B. Sir, is it correct only? No, sir. Yes, it is correct. But here in shell script, you are representing star means multiple number of inputs. Sir, how do we differentiate the multiple number of inputs from multiplication? Use backslash along with this. Then multiplication will come. This is an adjustment. Or otherwise, sir, shall I go this? Yes. E equal to dollar of A star B blank space. This one is fine. You don't miss it. So rest of the okay division no problem. Mod okay mod operation also working fine. Only star multiplication need additional symbol prefix of backslash. Isn't it? That is name is backslash or front slash. This is backslash. This is front slash. Am I right? This is backslash. This is front slash. Don't use backslash. Then it is an okay division. Huh? Okay. Use this. Okay, with this you can go for break. I think I gave more input. Okay, with this I will go for okay straight away quickly some okay rest of the commands and supercomputer access. Because you should know at least okay to run one program, particularly script or Python or C program. C program also you can do as it is using VA editor. So now you know how to open an VA editor. Go for break. Maybe okay out of the directory base கொடுத்தீங்களா அந்த டைரக்டரியே போயிருக்கும். அதுக்காக தான் நான் சொன்னேன் ஃபோல்டர்லாம் அதுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற கண்டென்ட் போயிருக்கும். அப்போ நீங்கள் அந்த ஃபோல்டருக்கு உள்ளே போய் கிரியேட் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இப்போ காப்பி ஆப்ஷனாக ரீநேம் எம்பி கொடுத்து அந்த ஃபோல்டர் நேம் கொடுத்து அதில் கொண்டு போய் காப்பி பண்ணுங்க. ஸ்பேஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு இப்போ எம்பி மூணு கொடுத்து எந்த வீட்டில் ஓகே அந்த ஃபைல் ஃபோல்டர் எங்கே இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துட்டு அந்த ஃபைல் நேம் கொடுத்து அதுக்கப்புறம் blank ஸ்பேஸ் கொடுத்து அதே மாதிரி லொக்கேஷன் இப்போ எம்பி ஓகேங்களா /home இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஓகே who myself okay who are you who am I sorry who am I sorry who am I means without space who am I. Suppose if you are in server, it will show you the list of users those who are accessing that machine. So who means yourself, who am I means everyone. Sorry, who means list of users those who are accessing the list. You type okay man and then okay let you know. Who means the list of users those who are okay accessing that server. Who am I means yourself. Okay. Apart from that, so rest of the commands please you have to who am I finger testing the okay again users activity. Suppose they are the restricted okay, user account student is trying to copy or opening something and a different okay suppose this, one student is okay using another student okay account, you can easily identify. So file management cat cp ls mv rm change mode we discussed, find crypto and all okay advanced okay for encrypting the file and other purpose. Cat command more means if your file is okay bigger size you can okay use cat okay more pipe more okay it will display 10 okay first 10 line next 10 line those things. Here means first okay first okay 5 lines or whatever it is. For example your file has 10 lines. If you are using get-5 means it will display first 5 line. Tail of 5 means from last. Okay. Then the comparison, file difference, common. WC means word count. In Windows, Microsoft Windows, it will show you number of words, number of characters like this. The number of okay words.
OD means OD.
OD is a display binary files.
Okay.
Okay. Change directory, make directory, remove directory, change the directory, present working, okay, showing the current work directories. Other okay, controlling the programs, whatever okay I mentioned, dot, semicolon, colon. Kill means terminate the process, but you don't do. That's why okay, mistakenly if you do, the system will okay get okay issue. Here pipe symbol for connecting okay more than 2 commands. Here forwarding input of that first command result to output of first command to input of second command. Sir, if I want to execute more than one commands, Linux and Unix are multi-user and multi-tasking OS, isn't it? In Windows CMD command prompt, you can execute one command at a time. But here in Windows Linux environment, we'll go for more than one command. Sir, how do we use? For example, date. Semicolon, I think. Semicolon. Then any command? Cal. Cal, it will not work here. ls. Okay. See, date command, I'm getting the result. No need to execute one by one. So, multitasking, multi-user, more than one user it will support. With this, it is very clear. Linux and Unix are multi-user and multitasking OS. Sir, if I want to forward the first command, that is output to input of second command, like this. Date cut command, it is possible. For example, you want to cut a part of information. With this, only first field information or specific 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth field I want to cut. Okay, so date pipe means above the enter key, shift use. Pipe cut, it's a command to cut the
minus D, I think, sir.
Yes, delimiter. It means delimiter. Delimiter is blank space. Hyphen D means delimiter. Where hyphen D field number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to give 5. Hyphen F5. I'll check after long back directly. I'm trying. You will see. Yes, working. You see, I want only fifth field information. Where I have to start? Fifth field up to blank space. Sir, I want to get only August month. So field 1, 2, 3 up. So you see here, the first command output is fed forwarded to input of second command. So both are different process. So process to process communication is happening here through pipe. That is called as IPC, inter-process communication. Clear? Any doubt? So then redirection symbol up, double redirection symbol up. You see, redirect, see here, redirect output to the storage file. We are typing through the keyboard that is stored in the file up. Similarly, T script, whatever it is, advanced commands. Editor, V editor. One more also is there, nano, but it will work, I think. It is similar to Turbo C editor. You see, it will show you all these options. How do we execute? How to use? Save. But VA doesn't show anything. It will be much easier to program. Sir, why don't you tell yearly? Then you will never ready to learn the commands to practice. Are you able to follow? This editor is nano. For exit, Control Zeta. That means press Control X. Sorry. Yes, closed. Please you note down all this. I think I covered most of the content. Straight I will go for supercomputers. This is networking protocols, FTP, host. This is only useful for administrators. We are not going to use anything. Already we know ping IP configure. Here it is IF configure. Okay, straight away we'll go for supercomputer access. Okay. There are two methods to access the supercomputers. You cannot directly access the supercomputer alone. It's a server. It's an client server approach. So in the end, the end machine is a dummy terminal. It's a thin client. Either it may be an Linux environment or Windows environment. Linux environment, straight away you can use this SSH blank space -x blank space -p, or what is this? There is a port that is dedicatedly given for that. Here 4422 to access my institute supercomputer from the outside network, that means mobile network or any service provider based internet. Sir, what is this 22? Inside of the network, intra-network you can use. Then user ID, my scholar ID at system name. Morning I asked you people what is the meaning of this?
Shiva.
Lord Shiva, right? Param Parul means Lord Shiva. It means you cannot see anything. It means comedy like irukku ana illa, like that. The machine is somewhere else. It is there, but in front of that is where you are sitting. There you cannot see that machine. That's why it is named as Param Parul. Irukku ana illa. That is the meaning of Param. You can I don't know how many of you are reading the Purana something. Right? This is an host name. Once you are entered into that supercomputer, first you have to create an environment variables like whatever you are defined. Similarly, we have to create our own environment variables. This is a command to create environment variables where we are going to hold the information. Sir, can you give some simple examples regarding that fundamental commands which you have discussed? Date, for example, whenever we are executing date command, we are getting the date information. Those values are stored in one specific standard environment variable date. Similarly, cal command, time, etc. So those variables we don't want to define by user. That means defaultly those variables will be defined by the OS. But here n number of users are going to use that supercomputer, so that we have to specify. That is the conda is OS related command conda create here blank space double hyphen name the environment variable environment variable name. That's it. We'll go for it straight away. I will disconnect this. That is either you can type exit off or press Ctrl D. Ctrl D, sorry. Exit. The rest. Again, if I am typing once again, this terminal is going to be closed. It's closed. This is my terminal. What I am going to do is just I closed. It's an Linux environment. Straight away you can execute this. Suppose it's a Windows environment. Suppose my computer is Windows environment. Through this system, I want to access this supercomputer. I need this Mobex term. You see this Mobex term home edition. You have to download this and install from your Windows machine, and then you have to go to CMD. Here you can type SSH, same whatever the command. Sir, straight away we will go to command prompt. Shall we type this command directly? You will get error. So you have to avoid that. You can go through this. Here particularly home edition version 24.2. This one is portable edition. You can download. There is an after downloading it, you will get the zip file. Unzip it. There is an executable file format. You can execute, that is run that. Click on it, it will run. After running that, you can go for execution of all these commands. There's an only adjustment we want to do. Suppose luckily your client is in Linux terminal, no need to do anything, straight away you can type this. Okay.
Is there any specific computer system வேணுமா சார்?
No.
இந்த இருக்கு சூப்பர் கம்ப்யூட்டர்.
Okay, I'm going to connect to one Windows my Scholar system, because my system has one more sir, I want to get to know about my system existing GPU informations. This is a command, please you have to note down. NVIDIA-SMI. So it will show you the list of GPU processors and its memory usage, everything. Okay, in my laptop, it doesn't have any GPU, but in my previous machine was one GPU card. So while running this, you will get an you will copy this command and keep it in Google search. You will get the result of this NVIDIA-SMI. Now I have to go for this 856.223 820 856 223 Mamata? Yes, yeah, it's getting ready, right? Yeah, I'm looking this. Can I log up and shall I use that again? Same command. That SSH hyphen. Okay, no problem. Shall I use that login? Is it anything problem in that command, login command? Shall I log out and I'll do once again? Log out and you do. Are you done log out? Okay. Then you go to CMD prompt. Command prompt only you typed, right? Mobex, you see it is Mobex, it is running. Start the terminal. SSH. Here you see this. Directly you can no need of typing that SSH hyphen that is P hyphen X those things. That is okay, remove. Okay, port number you look at here, Parampur, that is remote host. That in Windows it's a guide based access, so no need to use SSH hyphen X hyphen P, all those. So only Parampur, that is remote host name, port number. Okay, after that you run this. Yes, we have to give the login like this. Your username I have to give na Mamata. Mamata, that is your username, whatever it is created and given to you. NITT. Password, so give him a password. Okay. Before that, that is supercomputer will generate code, that is captcha. That is kind of OTP, one time password. It has both capital as well as small letter. S N Y, capital H, small n, capital Q, small e, small n. Sorry, capital N. Now it will ask password. Okay, man. Further, shall I continue for creating a new environment variable? You see, connected like this. Even if you are typing NVIDIA-SMI, you will get the result like this. You see, GPU related information and everything. Ma, clear the screen. See, okay, I will do. Ma. Hello. Amata? Yes. Shall I go for listing the environment variable first? Right. I'll do then the same thing. Okay. I'll do this. Okay. Thank you. Right. Suppose it was an Linux machine, then no problem. We have to type it. So in Windows, you should have installed that. Okay. Mobex. And then you have to specify everything, whatever the command which I mentioned, SSH. Instead of SSH, that only we are using SSH and server name, everything. Okay, so here the first command is.
Sir, you will have Paramburul NIT. Wow. We want to go with the Mobatex. What?
First of all, you should need an credential from the supercomputer, and then suppose if you have a laptop, then you have to access that supercomputer through your own network. Means you have to use 4422. They will instruct you. The administrator will instruct you. So inside of the campus, 22. That is the port number. Okay. So use your login credential and you have to log in successfully like this. Once the terminal is getting ready in the supercomputer,
Sir,
you
how
have
to get the access?
Sir,
How to get
it's
the
a procedure. I will tell you later. Already in the morning, I told you. MOU you have to sign. Even it's a big procedure. That's why I am using my Scholar account. I don't want. So later on I will go for it because scholars are doing the data. They are research related data and it's a related process. I don't want to. So here it's a command Honda -env list. That means it is going to list the existing environment variable. I think env. Yes. Hyphen also missed. You see, these are all the list of existing variables by various scholars. Suppose if you will get an access, if you have created already, it will be available. So before you are going to run any program, you must activate your variable. Sir, I don't have any variable. I'm the fresh new user. Then you have to create variable. So using conda create create hyphen either n or double hyphen name. I'm going to create Selva21 environment variable.
So your meaning for variable is folder.
Actually it's a kind of environment variable which is created by the user for time being keeping our results.
So
That is
kind of-
environment space.
Kind of folder. or kind
You
of-
see, packages, everything it is installed, node, everything it is verified. Now I am going to use the same command, that is previously executed command. You see, mine is created. If I want to activate this, conda activate variable name, right? Conda activate variable name. Yes, activated. You see, my variable is added with this login. Are you able to follow? See, previously base, it is kind of home. Thereafter my partition where I want to execute, store my programs, whatever I am going to access and perform computation in the supercomputer. Okay sir, one more is there. Conda list, it is going to list the various packages which are used. In my environment variable, nothing is installed. Suppose any packages or something special programming aspects do you want to install, it is relevant to your deep learning model or something, that will be. Okay, suppose for example, if you are looking my scholars, okay, variable md env01, sir, how do we, okay, come back? Then, okay, conda deactivate this variable. Deactivate. Then the current name will be get appear previously base. So I will go for my scholar, okay, conda activate md underscore env01, right? Okay, then you see there, okay, variable, environment variable, so many things are installed. You see this, what are the, okay, Python related script, okay, and then you see PyParsing, PyTest, Python, all this, okay, headers, okay, imported, okay, informations are available. Able to follow? So like this, you can install whatever the, okay, libraries you want to execute based upon your, okay, ML or deep learning model. You will go for it. Suppose if you want to delete that particular, okay, variable, sir, I don't want, okay, to use those variables, then conda, I'll come out of this and then I'll delete conda d. Sir, is it possible to delete from the current existing environment variable to existing? No, you have to come out of it, base, then, okay, conda env lista. Yes, I want to delete my variable name here, so remove s. Conda env, okay, remove hyphen n or, okay, hyphen name, whatever it is, you can use it, name. Okay, this is a command, conda env all packages, it is removed. Next, conda you see my environment variable was removed here. So this is a way to activate and deactivate and delete and creating the things. Sir, after this you can go for the same editor command, create your script either in shell script or .py Python program or Java program in any, okay, any of the programming language, and run it here. It's a C program. It's an execution command is CC. Suppose CP is C++ CPP. Okay, Java, you know, Java C, and then followed by Python, Python file name dot extension . Okay, similarly you can run shell script SH bash bash followed by okay, test dot bash. You can run such. Sir, after, okay, compilation ./a.out if it's in C or C++. Okay, ./a.out, it's a command to run the default decompiled program using C or C++. In Java, Java C, and then followed by Java file name, okay, that is a code or whatever it is. Okay, you can run, okay, any Python program or whatever it is. Additionally, okay, anything else, that's all. Okay, I want to discuss about this. About this. term is simple. Okay. It's an a kind of scheduler in supercomputer. Strong. That means simple Linux resource utilization and management.
So come again, simple.
Yeah. Okay. Just a minute. Simple Linux resource utilization and management. So this is an information which is given by CDAC for us. Okay, straight away we'll go for this. Everything what is this? Job scheduler, resource manager, everything. See, it's an multitasking. Already I mentioned what is meant by multitasking, multi-programming. See here, simpler Linux utility for resource management. Okay, simpler Linux utility for resource management. This is an proper expansion of this keyword SLURM slum. Based upon this, see this how the jobs are handled by this scheduler. You see this three main functions: allocate access to resources, provide the framework to run and monitor jobs on allocated nodes, manage a job, queue for you see computing resources. We'll go for straight away commands. Right? How do we execute all these commands? Jobs which are running, suppose like this. Yes, info display node partitions and other things. We'll go for this. Yes, info. Yeah. So these are the nodes, CPUs and GPUs, and it's related executions, usage and everything. So number of GPUs are used are ideal. Sir, what is this? You know what is meant by MLOG, CLOG. I think you might have studied in C++. Memory allocation, then cancellation, deallocation, right? Same thing. Allocation automatically. If you want to allocate something to your GPU, it will do all this. Okay. Similarly, you see all the commands. Similarly, SQ display the jobs in the scheduling queue. S allocation request and interactive job session allocation. Allocation. S batch submit a batch script to SLAM. You know what is meant by batch system, isn't it? Batch system means process of grouping similar jobs. Single instruction, multiple data. That is an example for batch. S control display the status of the job, nodes, partitions, reservations, etc. Then S cancel and submitted job. It's similar to Windows. This is an example. Screenshots of what is the result that is coming. S info. Then types of node you see here. CPU nodes, GPUs, memory. S batch you see here. S batch and followed by how to perform this. S batch is used to submit a job. S allocate used to allocate resources for a particular job. You see here. What is that? GPU you want to allocate, you can use GPU that number. S run, you can run the program. S run that node 1 and then the task information, how much memory. Then who is the responsible for running that? And terminal, PTY means terminal. You see here bin/bash. I mentioned about that. First line of our script. Hash exclamatory symbol of bin/sh instead of that bash. Scripting is done. This bash. So bash script. See how do we represent the numbers? You see here. command line, okay, you see here, specify that information, whatever it is, bash script. So see here, for it is, okay, represented and everything. See here. Okay, it's an okay simple script for scheduling the job. Then okay, serial jobs. Okay, how the jobs are executed. All are program name. Okay, hello. Even okay, you can run the hello program, whatever simple programs. Here it is. Okay, mention time, what time. Okay, everything. Job monitoring commands. Okay, you see this cancel. Okay, yes, cancel job ID or otherwise using username. Whatever the jobs are running and that okay under username, everything will be get cancelled. Or only specific job, then okay job ID you can use it. Cancel the pending jobs. Cancel name by okay my job name. Like that. Name using ID same. Okay, instead of job ID, go for it. Cancel all the okay user okay jobs. So okay, you see this, everything is get cancelled. So this is a way to access the supercomputer through the remote. So for that you need basic commands, Linux command, how to change the folder, how to create a script, how to okay type the script in the Linux environment, how to change the path, everything. So that only in the first session purposively I demonstrated basic Linux command. Set of commands which is relevant to folder, directory, that is directory, file, and then general purpose commands, utility commands, VA editor commands, everything. VA editor commands, I already shared the PDF file that has all shortcuts, how to copy, how to paste, okay, how to remove a particular line or number of lines from the VA editor, or how to edit a particular line, exactly particular character, location or whatever it is. Okay, so with this I am going to okay wind up this afternoon session, that is final session of the first day. Any clarifications? Any clarifications? Somebody asked that what is the procedure, right? Actually,